Greetings, my name is Ron Alseth, and I'm one of the founders of the Iron Range Engineering Program in Minnesota in the United States. Iron Range, which we refer to as IRE, is a project-based learning program that started in 2010. What I'm here to talk about today is the change process. The Iron Range Engineering Program could be termed as bottom-up. The idea came from faculty. A small group of us who were dissatisfied. Our motivations are discussed in a similar video to this one. But nonetheless, we got started, and very quickly we got some top-down support, excellent support at the highest levels of the university. Where we ran into problems was in the middle. The faculty at the university in the engineering departments were not at all happy for there to be a project-based learning program starting up. They did not believe in it. They did not believe that students could become qualified engineers by taking part in project-based learning. So there was a lot of conflict. But between the faculty in our program working very diligently and the support from above, we were able to create a new project-based learning program. Let's see, some other ways to describe our program would be a green field. In other words, we are not located on the university. We're in fact 300 miles away, and that really helped. When there is resistance, to not be in the backyard of the resistors is a really good thing. Some other aspects of our program: we did not take a program that existed before and change it to PBL. We started fresh. There was no program. From where we were to where we are, we started with nothing and came up with something. Our program is a Bachelor's of Science degree in engineering. Our program is very much what Annette Kolmos would refer to as market-driven. The competences that we are looking for our graduates to achieve are the PBL competences, all of the professional teaming, conflict management, very much into self-directed learning. We always tell students that when they graduate and go out to get their first position, they're not going to get welcomed on the first day with welcome, Jane, to the 3M company. We're glad you're here, and we've hired Professor John to be your teacher. Doesn't happen. Engineer Jane is going to have to learn on her own all of the technical material that it takes to succeed in her career. So in our change process, we were looking for experiences that helped develop in each of our students that self-directed capability. A little bit more about the change process. Two things that we did that were very helpful. One is we acquired a national advisory board. We went out and sought people from around engineering education who could be of great assistance. And the second thing is we started a pilot. Our first group of students, there were 14, and they made it through the entire PBL program. All of them did. They graduated and have been successful. In 2017, we now have 100 graduates. We've done several surveys of the industries that our students have entered, and there is very, very high satisfaction from the industries and from the graduates themselves.